Most small businesses lose customers for the most boring reason there is, and that's nobody answered fast enough and nobody followed up. The lead called while you were busy and it went to voicemail, and they booked the next business on the list. Texted at 9 p.m., you saw it the next afternoon, which is too late. There's a way to make sure that moment never gets missed again, even while you're asleep. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley from AI Academy, and on this channel, we keep AI simple and actually useful, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'm not going to bury you in technical stuff or make you feel like you need to be a programmer because you don't. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what a 24/7 AI assistant is, why it matters for a real business, and how all four pieces fit into one system. So let's talk about the problem first, because once you really see it, the whole thing makes sense. Okay, think about how a customer actually behaves. When someone reaches out to a business, they're usually ready right then. That's the moment that they care the most. They have their card out, they have a question, and they want to book. But businesses are run by humans, and humans are on a job site or with another customer or asleep or even just having dinner. So the most valuable moment your customer has is also the moment you're least likely to catch. The gap is where the money leaks out. It's not that your product is bad or your prices are wrong, it's that nobody was there to actually answer. Now here's where it gets interesting. You don't actually need a bigger team to close that gap. You just need a system that's always on, that responds the second someone reaches out, no matter what time it is. And that's the whole point of an AI assistant. It's not a person, it's not a robot taking over your business. It's more like a really reliable receptionist who works every hour of every day and never gets tired or forgets to call someone back. Okay, so let's talk about the 4 things this one assistant can do. The first one is phone calls. When someone calls and you can't pick up, instead of dumping them into a voicemail nobody checks, an AI voice can actually answer. It can greet them, answer basic questions, and grab their name and what they need. The second is text. A lot of people would rather text a business than actually call, and they expect a quick reply. The AI can answer text instantly, day or night, and keep the conversation going. The third is email. Same idea. When someone fills out a form or sends a message, the assistant can reply right away instead of letting it sit in the inbox. And the fourth, which is honestly one of the most businesses skip, is follow-up. When a lead goes quiet, the assistant gently checks back in, a friendly text a day later, a quick email a few days after that, not annoying, just present. That fourth piece is the one I want you to really hear, so stick with me, because in a minute, I'm going to show you the mistake that quietly kills more sales than all of the others combined, and almost everybody makes it. But first, let me explain why follow-up matters so much. Most leads never get followed up with more than once or twice, and most sales happen after several touches. So businesses do all this work to get someone interested, and then they let them slip away simply because they didn't reach out again. An assistant that follows up automatically fixes that without you ever having to remember to do that. Okay, so now you might be wondering how to actually put all 4 of these pieces into one place. And that's the part where a lot of people get a giant complicated setup with a bunch of different tools wired together. But the good news is that you don't need that. There's one platform that you can keep coming back to for this, and it's called GoHighLevel. The reason we really like it for this specific job is that it does all 4 of these things under one roof. It has a voice AI that can answer calls, it handles text, it handles emails, and it has automated follow-up built in. So instead of stitching together 4 separate apps and hoping they talk to each other, you have one system that covers the whole thing. If you want to get started for free and build this on your own, we have an exclusive link down in the description below where you can get started with an extended 30-day free trial instead of the normal 14. Now, it's really easy to make these agents. So all you have to do is navigate to AI agents. There's the voice AI that you can create right here, the conversation AI that you can create right here. One thing too I always like to mention is before you even start with your conversation and voice AI, make sure you're creating a knowledge base. This is where your AI assistant is going to pull information from. One cool thing is that you can literally just enter in a link and then it will crawl all of the information on your website and then it will be trained on it. You can add frequently asked questions. So if there's a specific question that you want answered a specific way, then you can go ahead and put that in here too. Same with tables. If you have pricing options, if there's any other text or files, anything, the more information, the better. The people that say that their AIs sound robotic are the ones that don't actually give the AI enough information. Then in terms of automation, so you can create workflows super easily inside GoHighLevel. You can build them using AI, which is so powerful. So you can literally say, when someone books an appointment, let's make sure that they get followed up with, or something like that. Or when they fill out a form, make sure they get followed up with. So again, GoHighLevel makes it super easy and you can use their AI to help you. They walk you through the whole thing super simply. Okay, now let me keep this honest because we always do on this channel. This is not a magic button that you press once and walk away forever. The way it really works is you set set it up one time and then you tune it. You tell your assistant a little bit about your business, what you offer, and how you want it to sound. You write a few of the messages it sends or just start with the basic ones and adjust. Then you watch how real conversations go for a week or two, and then you can go ahead and tweak the parts that feel off. That's it. You can customize everything from timing of response time to type of voice. It's really, really powerful. The heavy lifting is in the first setup, and after that, it mostly runs itself while you check in now and then. So the work is real, but it's small and it's one time, and the payoff is a business that responds around the clock. Now, let me flag the common mistakes. The first mistake is having a no human handoff. The AI is great at the first response and the easy questions, but you always want an easy way for a real person to take over when the conversation gets complicated or when someone is ready to buy something big. If the assistant traps people in a loop with no way to reach a human, you're going to lose the exact customers you wanted most. So always build in that handoff, which again, GoHighLevel allows you to do. The second is making it sound too robotic, because people can feel when they're talking to a stiff, scripted bot, and it makes them trust you less. You want the messages to sound like your business, warm and normal, the way that you would actually talk. So a quick, hey, thanks for reaching out, what can we help you with today, beats a cold, formal block of text every single time. So just spend a little time on the wording and maybe even talk through it in a voice note or something like that so you can actually figure out how you would respond. It matters way more than anything else. The third mistake is bad follow-up timing, and this is the one that I warned you about. Following up is good, but following up too fast or too often turns helpful into pushy. 5 texts in an hour will get you blocked. The sweet spot is gentle and spaced out. A check-in the next day, then another a few days later, then maybe one more after that, and then you let it rest. You want to feel like a friendly reminder, not someone who's hammering their phone. Get the timing right and people will actually appreciate it. Now I just want to touch on the different plans and pricing options. So they have a couple different options here. You can pay monthly or annually. You can save a bit with annual, but the starter plan is $97 per month. You get all the core features, you get unlimited contacts and users, and you get 3 sub accounts. So if you're just a single business, you can go ahead and do this for $97 a month. There are some other costs associated with the AI voice and chat, so those are also something to be aware of. Then they have the unlimited plan, which is $297 per month, and this is for growing agencies. So you get everything in the starter, but you get unlimited sub accounts. Then they have the Agency Pro, which is $497 per month, everything in the unlimited, automated sub account creation, and SaaS mode, and more. So depending on where you're at in business and the kind of business you have will depend on the plan that you actually need. So let's put it all together. The problem is that businesses lose customers in the gap, the moments when nobody could answer fast enough or remember to follow up. The fix is one AI assistant that's always on and handles 4 things: answering calls, replying to texts, sending emails, and following up with leads who go quiet. You build all 4 in one place with GoHighLevel. You set it up once and tune it, and you keep it human and warm with an easy handoff and gentle follow-up timing. That's a business that catches the customers it used to lose even while you sleep. Again, if you want to check out GoHighLevel, that link is down in the description below to get that extended 30-day free trial. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our link, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. If this helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe for more AI walkthroughs that keep it simple and honest. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.